Hi, my name is Manoli Salpeas. I'm the Director of Emerging Technologies here at GP Strategies.
Hi, my name is Johnathan Lightfoot. I am the Principal SharePoint Architect here at GP Strategies. I'm also the author of two SharePoint books, SharePoint 2010 Plain and Simple and SharePoint Inside Out.
We're here to talk to you today about some of the problems that the SharePoint Learning Portal addresses with respect to formal learning today. Specifically, many of the clients that I've talked to in the past have challenges around sending their employees to formal learning, think instructor-led training, where they need to send their employees out to training early on, prior to actually needing that training. The real challenge there is that the employee, by the time the employee needs the training, they've forgotten approximately 80% of the information they actually need. Johnathan, can you tell us a little bit about how the SharePoint Learning Portal addresses that challenge in particular?
Yes, specifically this challenge I've always viewed as falling off the cliff, where you can go to training and then after the training is over, traditionally that's it, it's over. By having the SharePoint Learning Portal in place, you're actually making a bridge between training and what I call on-the-job or real-world experience. So instead of me having maybe just a manual to go by, I have a living, breathing site that I can go to, and on that site I have the ability to have discussion boards, I have the ability to have document libraries. I can also connect with subject matter experts through this portal.
The challenge around avoiding a portalized solution like the SharePoint Learning Portal is truly restricting an organization to dealing with the product company, the learning management systems company. Not that there's anything wrong with that. However, you're truly relying on them to build any sort of customization within their product. That introduces cost. If you attempt to build the solution yourself, introduces a challenge and risk around potentially voiding the warranty, and ultimately takes a while for them to complete because they're, for instance, in a SaaS solution, they will have to build it into the solution for many customers since they're on one platform. With the SharePoint Learning Portal, you avoid all of these things. We built web parts that live within your SharePoint environment. And the value there is that you can mix and match web parts within the environment to build any number of innovative solutions for yourself, especially from an informal learning perspective.
And also to mention that when you start portalizing and you're using something like SharePoint specifically, you're able to recycle content. Currently, if you look at your learning management system, it's a formalized process. I have to sign up for a course, I have to attend this course. However, organizations I've seen have hundreds of thousands of content out there that could be used across different business units, different areas. With the portalized solution, I can find this content that I normally would not have known about. The example I like to use is negotiation. Normally that's something that's targeted to sales staff. However, if we think about an organization as a whole, everybody could use that. So with the portalized solution, everybody can find the content and they can participate in the discussion. And now we're truly going informal learning.
Yeah, and even with that, we're truly just talking about information or learning that's being pushed out to the individual. We haven't even touched on the fact that the SharePoint Learning Portal, or a portal in general, allows an individual to participate in providing learning to others. So if I'm an individual within an organization and I know how to create this widget, I have the ability to create audio and or video that I can upload into a particular page. As Johnathan mentioned, they're allowed to create document libraries or libraries in general where you can store video, store audio, and have others search and retrieve that information. Little snippets of information are invaluable.